Welcome back to the final episode of our cybersecurity series, everyone. We've come a long way from the basics to the point of being ready to tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges. Today, we're going to talk about how all of these skills come together in real-world applications. One real-world application of our skills is in the realm of incident response. When a cybersecurity incident like a breach or a DDoS attack occurs, you'll be responsible for investigating the incident, mitigating damage, and developing a strategy to prevent future incidents. Recall the massive Equifax breach in 2017? Efficient incident response teams were crucial in limiting the damage and restoring services. To demonstrate the application, let's implement a basic packet analyzer with Python to monitor network traffic. This script listens to the network traffic and extracts the source and destination IP addresses of each packet. It's a fundamental tool that could be expanded to analyze packet content, detect anomalies, and flag suspicious activities. Another critical application is vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Here, we use our technical skills to uncover weaknesses in systems and networks. The Target breach in 2013, for instance, was a result of a vulnerability in their HVAC system. Cybersecurity professionals regularly carry out such assessments to find and fix potential vulnerabilities. At a high level, cybersecurity engineers also work in policy and planning. They help design the overall security strategy of an organization, considering both technical and non-technical aspects. This is a critical role, as seen in the aftermath of the 2013 Yahoo breach, where policy changes were key to recovery. With that, we wrap up our series on becoming a top-tier cybersecurity engineer. It's been a great journey, and I hope you found this series enlightening and useful. Remember, cybersecurity is a lifelong learning process, and there's always something new around the corner. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and stay safe.